Good day to each one of us. I am Irish Tabilin from the Group 3, reporter number 6, and today we will going to discuss our topic which entitled Synthesize the Learning from the Course. In our topic, we will going to explore first about the overview of the course objectives and introduce the key concepts. Second, we will going to explore the theories that underpin the course content and their practical implementations. Third, we will going to examine the real-life case studies to understand how course concepts are applied in different contexts. And lastly, we will going to explore the challenges faced by learners in applying the course learnings and provided effective solutions. Let's start.
Educational sector. Explore how education can integrate course learnings to improve teaching methodologies and students' engagement. Ang sektor ng edukasyon ay tumutukoy sa bahagi ng lipunan at ekonomiya na nakatuon sa pagbibigay ng mga serbisyo sa edukasyon at pag-aaral. Kasama sa mga sektor na ito, ang malawak na hanay ng mga institusyon, organisasyon, at aktibidad na naglalayong magturo at magsanay sa mga individual. Sinasaklaw nito ang mga paaralan, kolehiyo, universidad, vocational training center at mga programang pang-edukasyon para sa mga nasa hustong gulang. Gayon din ang mga instrukturang mga pangsuporta gaya ng mga ahensya ng gobyerno, mga non-profit na pang-edukasyon at pribadong institusyon na tumutulong na mapadali ang pag-aaral.
Business management. Discover how organizations can leverage course concept to enhance leadership skills and drive organizational success. Matuto kung paano papaunat ang pamumuno para magtagumpay.
Healthcare. Healthcare uncovered the applications of the course learnings in the healthcare sector for the better patient care and improve outcomes. Healthcare is the effort to improve a person's health by preventing, diagnosing, treating, or curing physical and mental illness, injuries, and other impairments. It can also refer to the system that provides medical treatment to people. Ang healthcare ay isang pagsisikap na mapabuti ang kalusugan ng isang tao sa pamamagitan ng kanyang pagpapagaling sa kanyang pisikal o mental na sakit. Maaari itong sumangguni sa sistemang nagbibigay ng medikal na paggamot sa mga tao. Ang health workers naman, maliban sa atin, ay sila rin ay nag-aalaga sa ating kalusugan. Dahil sa kanila, napapanatili ang maayos na kalusugan ng mga tao sa pamamagitan ng kanilang pagbibigay pamamaraan ng gamot na batay sa katibayan at pag-aalaga. Ang mga health workers ay nag-aaral, nagdiagnose, nagbibigay ng paggamot at pumipigil sa paglala ng masamang karamdaman ng tao at iba pang mga karamdaman sa pisikal man o mental. Sila ay alinsunod sa mga pangangailangan ng mga populasyon na paglilingkuran nila.
Case studies, example of application. 1. Company X, transforming organizational culture. Learn how Company X implemented course strategies to create a positive and exclusive work environment. Number 2. School Y, enhancing student motivation. Explore how School Y applied course principle to increase student motivation and academic performance. Number 3. Hospital C, optimizing patient experience. Discover how Hospital C utilize course insight to improve patient satisfaction and overall experience.
Challenges and solutions. When applying course learnings, learners may encounter several potential roadblocks. Identifying these challenges in advance can help educators and learners develop strategies for overcoming them. Common challenges include lack of real-world context, overwhelm from complexity, lack of motivations and confidence, and limited support or guidance. Number 2. To overcome the common challenges learners face when applying course learnings, effective problem-solving strategies are essential. Number 1. Incorporate real-world examples and case studies. Number 2, simulations and role-playing. And number 3, implementation.
Personal development refers on your growth throughout the course and highlight key improvements. Personal development refers how the course has helped an individual grow as a person. It is about reflecting on the changes of an individual have experienced in terms of skills and overall outlook on life. Reflect on your progress regularly to assess how you are doing and identify areas you can improve.
Application in daily life. Showcase how the course learning have the positively influence decision making in various aspects of life. Ang mga application in daily life ay nagpapakita kung paano ang mga natutunang mga kaalaman at kasanayan mula sa isang kurso ay nakakatulong sa paggawa ng mas mahusay na desisyon sa iba't ibang aspeto ng buhay. Sa madaling salita, pinapakita nito kung paano ang mga natutunan sa kurso ay maaaring mailapat sa mga praktikal na sitwasyon upang maging mas matalino at mas epektibong tagapagdesisyon sa araw-araw.
Number 3. Future learning goals. Share aspirations for continuous learning and plans to further develop the knowledge gained. Ang explanation dito is makisali sa mga proyekto sa sariling pag-aaral, pag-analiksik sa paksa, at makilahok sa mga online na kurso upang mapahusay ang mga kasanayan.
Knowledge expansion summarizes the breadth of knowledge acquired and its potential impact on personal and professional growth.
Inspiration to act. Motivate learners to apply the learnings from the course and contribute to their respective fields. Gamitin ang mga natutunan para makatulong.
At bilang pagtatapos, I encourage learners to continue exploring and expanding their knowledge beyond the course. Ine-encourage ko ang bawat isa sa atin na mga estudyante na magpatuloy tayo sa pagpapalawak ng ating kaalaman sa iba't ibang course at patuloy tayo sa pag-explore sa mga bagay na ito. Yun lamang, maraming salamat!